Hello guys, welcome to another brand new Python tutorial. Uh, this is going to be like our first tutorial into data sampling, extracting data from the Notepad or WordPad or Excel sheet or from the internet in different formats. So what we are going to do in this, and then do some data analysis with those data that we are downloading from the different sources. What we are going to do is like we have this notepad which is saved in the same location as the my python file that I'm going to like write my script. So I have all these data, color, value, and then for red, orange. So I have all these data. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a script to open this file and then read the file and print it on the python console. So let's go ahead and do this. So it starts like this. Wait, let me change the font size for you guys to see better. Um, okay, so I'll start writing. So with open name of your file, insert double quotes color dot txt comma. How we want to open the file? So read as binary. That's what RB means. Read as binary. So this thing we're gonna call it as whatever you want, like OP file. You can name it as anything you want. And then we are just gonna like read the file as whole, and then we are gonna print it out. So print, so content from the file uh, /n. So the name of the file that you given on .op dot file dot read. So it's gonna read and then it's gonna output. That's all. So this is just like a two-line code that you're writing in Python to like read from the file and print on the console. So I'll save this and I press F5 to execute this. So it's just like that, it's printed out all the data from the file, content from file, color, value. It just printed out without changing any order. So let's do something. Let's take this to the next step. Um, I'll use a for loop. So instead of this one, okay, I'll code this one. I'll code. Maybe I'll wait. I'll comment this out. I'll copy this one. Then I'll use a for loop and I'll read line by line. So just in case if your data is huge, it will read one line after another. So you can ensure that there is no data miss or something like that. So OBV, you call it anything you want. For OBV in OP file. So it's going to iterate through the file line by line, and it's going to print each and every single line. That's what's going to happen. Print reading data OBV. Save, press F5, execute. So it's just printed line by line. So how do we know whether we have printed it line by line? So you just declare a variable x equals 1. Then print, I'll give a space, str x, then x equals x plus 1. Save this, then press F5. I started. This is line 1. 97, last line. So you have 97 lines in this file. So you get to know that. The next thing that we could do is like, let's say you want to like sample the data in a specific way. Let's say you want only like even number data. So we comment this out, copy this, paste it. So with open file, file name RB. So this file should be in the same folder as this your Python script that you're writing. You have to ensure that if you're not, it's not going to work. So let's say you want to print out only like data in the even location. So you type 2, it should be like assignment operator, not relation. And then for OBV, comma, for J, yeah. For J, OBV, enumerate OP file. So it's going to pass over the line number, and then you're going to check it. If that j, so j divided by n equals 0, so it means it's even. So this thing will give you the denominator of the division. If that denominator is 0, then it's an even number. So you're going to go ahead and print the line. Reading data, string value of j. So data and the string value of j, that's what it's going to print out. Save, press F5. Syntax error. Oh, I forgot the code and the indentation. Save print. So as you can see from here, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, only even data has been printed out. So you could do like sampling like this. So if, let's say you want only multiples of 3 data to be printed out, save it and make it 3 and then F5. So you get only multiples of 3. So using this method, you could do a sampling like this. You could use any mathematical relationship over here. I mean, to get the type of data that you want. And in the next step, we do like we comment this one. Let's say you want only like 25% of the data, less than 25%. So let's see how we do that. You copy and paste. First, you have to import a random number from random import random. From the module, you are importing the class random. So sample size, you can call it anything you want. equals, you want like less than 25% of the data, so you declare it as 0.25. Width, so you're going to open the file, just copy paste this one, make some space. uh, so you just do the same for J observation in enumerate. So this thing is like first line, second line, third line, so that's how it's going to go on. And then if you just check if random number less than or equals sample size, if that's less than or equal to sample size, so it's gonna print that. So what is this random number is gonna do? It's gonna give us a number between 0 and 1, and it's gonna check the condition. If that's less than 0.25, it's gonna like extract, let's say it gives us 16 upon 0.16, so it's gonna extract 16% of the data from the file that we are trying to extract data from. Then you just go ahead and print it out. We can reuse the same print statement. Save file. So let's check how many data it prints out. Um, let's add a variable, declare a variable. X equals 0, x equals 1, so here, plus, plus, str, x, index, equals x plus 1, and then execute that. So it's printed 24 data. So you could see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I close this one, save again, execute. It's printed same number of data. Now let's increase this to like 0.3. This time it's printed 20 data. So it will try to print within your sample size. That's what we'll try to do. Let's make it 1. So it's printed like almost all the data. So that thing started from 0. That's the reason why I'm getting 96 and 97. Printed all the data. So let's say I make it 0.9. It's printed 89 data. So that's how you can do a sampling. Let's say you have a huge data and then you want to like take only 50% of the data as a sample and want to do your data analysis. You could use this as a technique to extract the data from your file. And thanks for watching the tutorial. And in our next video, we'll be seeing like how to extract data from the different data source. We'll be using pandas to like get the data, and then we'll be seeing a lot more. Subscribe to the channel, and then like, share, if comment, if need any clarifications, I'll try to solve them. And thanks for watching the tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.